Hello Alta Labs fans, and thanks for watching our videos. Jeff Hansen here, and I am going to talk about AltaBoost today. So ever since we launched AltaBoost, we've had a lot of questions about what carriers are supported in every country and whether or not I can use AltaBoost with my current cell phone and mobile plan. So I'm going to help answer some of those questions today. First off, we're going to go to help.alta.inc, and if you search for AltaBoost, this is the first page that will come up. So this is our AltaBoost KV article, has tons of useful information about AltaBoost. At the very beginning of the document, we have this verified networks list. And so first off, you can see kind of what countries might have support for AltaBoost. And so those would be listed in blue. The dark blue have verified devices. So verified carriers that will definitely work with AltaBoost depending on your carrier. So you can look at these different lists here. You can see this is the main list. Okay, so let's say I happen to know that this one is a very common one. So if I'm in the United States, I can look up any of these carriers. So we can't post the carrier name right here, but it's not too hard to look it up manually. So this one right here is the one I'm going to look up right now. So we can see that it is MNC 310 and MCC 280. Okay, so then I'm going to go to the, let's see, data sources here. And probably one of the most useful pages for doing lookups like this is mcc-mnc.net. And so I'm going to go ahead and look up 310, and then we'll look for 280 down here. And I found it right here. So the MNC is 310, MCC 280. You can see right here it's for North America, United States. And you can see that this one in particular is AT&T Mobility GSM 1900. So this is one of the more common ones in the United States, at least. So this is how you would find if your particular carrier is supported. If you look up all the carriers and you don't find any that support your specific carrier, then you can definitely reach out to us and see if we support that particular carrier. If you're international, so not in the United States, then you could look up other countries. So we are supported in different areas of the world as well. We have confirmed and non-confirmed MVNOs and MNOs that work with us. So probably the easiest way to use it is to use one of our other providers. So Wi-Fi.google.com is supported, openroaming.net. And for those, like at least openroaming.net, it's very easy to go to OpenRoaming's website and download a profile that would work on your device. Now, a lot of devices already have OpenRoaming profiles installed on them. For example, some Samsung Android devices as well as Google devices. And so for those devices, there isn't anything you would need to do. You would just turn on AltaBoost and it should automatically connect to the network if you are international. So it just totally depends on your cell phone and whether or not those profiles have been provisioned. We have all of these other basically carriers that are operating on AltaBoost as well. And then we have our master list of carriers that is worldwide. So we do have some partnerships with some carriers throughout the world. You can reach out to us. So if you do have one of these carriers, so you do the lookup and it's not working, we'd love to hear it. And we can figure out whether or not that carrier should actually be coming up with your cell phone plan. You do have to have an official up-to-date cell phone plan in order to connect typically, because it will use your current cell phone credentials. So your mobile plan credentials have to be updated. You have to be a current paying customer of that carrier on that SIM card in order for it to automatically be able to authenticate to AltaBoost. Now we do have other options. So if you, for example, have a restaurant or an airport or a transportation hub or something like that you'd like to install Alta at, and you'd like to try AltaBoost at internationally, definitely reach out to us. There are some cases where maybe AltaBoost doesn't work, but we have paid carrier offload options that would definitely work. And even though maybe AltaBoost may not be the way to get that working, we have other ways to work with our carriers that we have partnerships with to bring up carrier offloading into those types of destinations. So yeah, those types of commercial installations are definitely a target, and carriers definitely want to provide Wi-Fi in those areas in order to offload their cellular networks. So if you have any questions about those, you can do that as well. But yeah, this is a simple way to look up the MCC MNC to figure out which carrier we're talking about when we have these codes here that are, you know, cryptic. But there is a way to look them up. And yeah, thanks for watching today. And if you have any other questions, you can reach out to us on our forum, forum.alta.inc, or contact our support if you have any other questions about this. Thanks.